Well, good morning, everybody. We start on 24-hour temperature casts and not expecting an awful lot of movement here. That's going to have everything to do with the clouds and the rain. Plenty of that coming down all over the place this morning. Take a look here at the radar view, and I see a whole lot of rain, especially in South Georgia. The Highway 319 corridor all the way down to Tallahassee is real wet. We see some of the green shaded counties that extend all the way into Lafayette County. What we've got here is flash flood concerns all the way till Thursday morning, because I think this soggy setup is going to stick around for the next couple of days. Watch how this rain has been moving very, very slowly for the past 3 hours and likely will continue to move very slowly across the area for the next 3 hours. And that's going to make for a very slow and wet morning commute. Give yourself a little extra time to get to your destinations today. There's going to be plenty of rain out there, and I think we've got a pretty good shot to take a big bite out of that rainfall deficit. I don't think we're going to be looking at a quarter inch or a half inch worth of rain today. We could pick up an inch or two or more in spots. There is drier air. There is cooler air off to the north and west, but this time of year, it takes something extra special to push that all the way down to where we are, and I don't see anything extra special enough to bring any of that here. We're going to get bottled up in this same kind of warm, humid air mass for several days, and we're going to keep our rain chances up, today being our best shot for the most rain. It's 75 in Tallahassee, it's 74 in Valdosta, it's 70 in Thomasville. Some pretty good rain coming down there in many spots. The warm spot is Apalachicola, where it's 80. Most of us, though, between 70 and 75 this morning. And while there's quite a bit of reduced visibilities, that's got more to do with the rain coming down than just fog out there, although I think fog is going to be a factor for us the next couple of mornings too. Now, as we keep this warm, humid air mass set up across the southeast, that boundary tries to make some progress. It's going to get stuck, and eventually over the next few days we'll start to see a resurgence of that warmer air from the south and east, starting to push away any of that cooler and drier that may be lingering up into parts of the Tennessee or Kentucky valleys. But I don't see any of that cooler or drier getting here. I think we stay warm and soupy, and I think our rain chances stay pretty elevated, especially for the first half of today, but lingering even into the afternoon, nighttime hours. There may be some breaks later on tonight, and over the next few days, while I think we're talking showers, I don't think we're going to find as much rain as we're going to have today, but it's certainly not going to be dry over the next couple of days. Hopefully we'll find some drier weather by the end of the weekend, the upcoming weekend. Got an area out in the tropics well east of the islands that's got some potential over the next couple of days, so we'll certainly keep our eyes on that too. The tropics staying awake. Winds on the Gulf today out of the south and southwest, 12 to 24, seas 2 to 5 feet. Looks like all the high tides are behind us. The low tides, they're underway now, and they'll finish up before 8. We'll keep the rain chances like 80–90%. Count on getting wet this morning and this afternoon. 70s likely make it into the low 80s for highs, but I think the story today is going to be more about getting wet than getting hot. Tonight, the clouds linger. Some of the showers do too. It stays soggy to start tomorrow, but I don't expect as much rain on Wednesday and Thursday as today. But we'll keep those rain chances elevated, maybe all the way past Friday. At this point, we'll keep the temperatures down too, maybe on the right side of 90 for several days. Today, there'll be spots that may struggle to get back to 80.